My next procedure is the vacuuming process. Alright? Now, I'm here and I'm getting ready for the vacuuming process. With the vacuuming process, the only things I actually need here are my two T-core removers, because I've already removed my Strader valves. I hooked up my micron gauge to the T part on one of my Strader on my core removers. It could be either the high or the low side, it doesn't matter, as long as it's connected. And I had my two hoses going to my vacuum pump, directly to my vacuum pump, and it's actually a T there. All right, it's split where it just has to both. All right, and my vacuum pump itself. That's what I need. All right, I don't need a manifold gauge in order to do a vacuum, because I'm going to read all my readings off of a micron gauge. All right, now in doing this, everything is here, everything is here, everything is here. All right. All I'm pretty much doing, once everything is hooked up, I'm pretty much. Now, the purpose for a vacuum is to get the system clean and dry, to get all of the moisture and debris out of my system. The EPA suggests that you have to get it to at least 500 microns, which is equivalent to 29.99 inches of mercury. Now, what I do, I get mine down to 200 or less. So I go even further than a 500. I know if I get down less than 200, then definitely my system is clean. Definitely, there shouldn't be any leaks, and definitely as long as I can get down to 200, I know that, you know, like I shouldn't have any problems a little bit any later with moisture or, you know, acid. All right. Now, once everything is hooked up here, the procedure is pretty easy. All you do, you turn on your micron gauge. Here on the vacuum pump, there's normally a plug over top of the exhaust. You just pretty much unplug it. On this one, it's there. You make sure that your oil levels are right. So you have an oil level line there. You enter the oil here. Underneath the bottom, you actually have an oil drain. And you make sure that your oil, before you start your vacuum pump, you actually change your oil in your vacuum pump and make sure that your oil level is correct. And all you do, turn on your micron gauge, turn on your vacuum pump. You're waiting for your micron gauge to get down to at least 500, but again, I go down to 200. And once it gets down to your 500, all you're doing now, on your core removers, you have ball valves. And all you do, once you get it down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, you can just close it off. All right, and it's as simple as that. Now, that's the easy way to close those off and to make sure that there's no air getting into your vacuum system. Now, once it's down, once you get it down to 200 and it's down to 200 and just holding, then like you're just pretty much is at the point now where, because once you close it off, you're closing off the backside where the vacuum pump is, and the inside is where your micron gauge is. You just wait to make sure that your system still holds that 200 or wherever you get it down to, your 500. As long as it doesn't go over 500, you're okay. If it goes from 200 back all the way up to 500, then you have a leak somewhere. So you need to fix that as well. All right? But if you can get to 200, chances are you don't have a leak. If you have a leak, you won't be able to get down to 200. Chances are. So you shouldn't have those problems anyway. All right? So that's the vacuuming process. All right?